customer built this custom PC last night, and after he put everything together, he tried to turn it on, but the computer won't turn on. So he brought the computer here so I can figure it out what was wrong with this and fix the computer. And right now I'm just doing a quick lookup, and I can see that some of the screws are not installed or missing. The screws that's holding the power supply also not installed or missing. And the peg that's supposed to hold the motherboard down to the case are also missing or not installed. I'm gonna take everything apart, and then I'm gonna test the motherboard, the memory, the CPU, and then test every component on this computer to make sure that everything is good. And if everything is good, then I'm gonna install all the screws and then put everything back together and also do the cable management. And this is why I charge a full price, $300 to fix this custom PC, because I have to take everything apart, test it, and put them back together. As you can see right here, the custom PC build is $300 flat for the service. And that $300 price hasn't changed since November 2016. You can go to Google and then search for Wayback Machine, or you can go to web.archive.org. And once you're on that website, you can search for my website, technicia.com. From there, you can go back in time and then check the prices that are listed on my website. Right here, back in July 2013, which is 9 years ago, I charged $200 for basic PC assembly and $100 if you want me to do the cable management. And 3 years later, in 2016, I start charging $300, which is also including the cable management, OS installation, and the hardware testing. And right here, May 2019, before the pandemic, the lockdown, custom PC assembly, which is including the cable management, OS installation, and the hardware testing, is $300. So this price hasn't changed before the COVID, during the COVID, and during the recent inflation. All the prices that I charge to fix computers pretty much the same since 9 years ago, and I believe that I should charge more, but I'm gonna talk about it on another video. So now let's get back to this computer. So here's the computer. I took everything apart, and right now I am testing the motherboard, the CPU, and the memory using my own graphic card and my own power supply. Okay, we got a video. And now I'm gonna test this computer with the customer's power supply and the customer's video card. It is working. And the customer also installed the wrong type of screw in this cooling system. I'm gonna replace this screw with the correct one. After spending a whole day taking apart this PC and then testing each and every components, I put them back together, and I also do the cable management. As you can see, it's pretty clean around here, not much cable dangling around. I also installed the correct size of screws on the fans and also on the motherboard and around the power supply. So now let's test this computer and see if the computer is gonna be working or not. Here we go. No keyboard, of course. I have no keyboard. And there you go. Look how colorful this PC is. So I'm gonna call the customer and let him know that this PC is fixed and ready for him to pick it up.
Not because I felt like you asked for it, because it's not the case. But I want to give you some extra dollars. Just
You don't have to.
No, I know. But it's just I didn't mean to bother you, and also you did an awesome job. So I mean, yeah, but I wanted to give it to you because you made an excellent work, and I appreciate it so much.
Yeah, thanks.